In Book 2, Chapter 3 of Dune by Frank Herbert, the narrative continues to unfold with a blend of strategy, mysticism, and ecological vision. The chapter opens with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, reflecting on Muad'Dib's complex relationship with his prescient abilities. She hints at the inherent danger in choosing a path of safety and predictability, suggesting that true leadership entails navigating the unknown and risking stagnation. The action begins with Duncan, Idaho, and Dr. Kynes, who is also revealed to be the Fremen leader Liet, arriving in ornithopters to rescue Paul and Jessica. They bring them to an old Imperial base in the desert, now repurposed by the Fremen for ecological testing aimed at transforming Arrakis into a more habitable planet. This aligns with the broader themes of environmental and ecological transformation that run through the novel. Duncan's strategic placement of a shield in the desert triggers a massive explosion when hit accidentally by a Harkonnen lasgun, showcasing the intricacies and dangers of the technology in the Dune universe. Meanwhile, Paul and Jessica's discovery of Kynes' true identity as Liet deepens their understanding of Fremen society and their potential allies on Arrakis. Inside Kynes' private quarters, Paul reveals his audacious plan to seek vengeance against the Emperor and the Harkonnens by threatening to expose the Emperor's covert involvement in the Atreides-Harkonnen conflict. This would leverage the other great houses against the Emperor, a move Kynes and Jessica see as potentially catastrophic, leading to chaos. Instead, Paul proposes a cunning alternative, blackmailing the Emperor to secure a marriage with one of his daughters, thus positioning himself closer to the throne. Their strategic discussion is abruptly interrupted by an assault on the base by Sardaukar troops. In the ensuing chaos, Duncan, Idaho sacrifices himself to ensure Paul and Jessica's escape, a poignant moment highlighting the themes of loyalty and sacrifice. Kynes separates from Paul and Jessica, opting for a different escape route, and instructs them to flee into a desert sandstorm in an ornithopter. Chased by Harkonnen forces, Paul and Jessica's daring escape into the sandstorm underscores Paul's growing acceptance of his role and destiny. The storm, with its potential to destroy them, symbolizes the tumultuous path Paul must navigate as he steps further into his destiny as Muad'Dib. Reciting the litany against fear, Paul confronts the immediate danger head-on, a testament to his evolving character and the narrative's ongoing exploration of fear, power, and destiny. Chapter 3 of Book 2 in Dune further develops key characters, deepens the political and ecological intrigue of Arrakis, and advances Paul Atreides' journey toward becoming Muad'Dib. It blends action with philosophical and strategic insights, reflecting the novel's complex examination of power, environment, and human potential. Before you go, please let me know what you thought about this video down below in the comments. It makes my day to hear from you all. Over and out. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.